Tesla has officially unveiled the refreshed 2025 Model Y in China, marking the next chapter for the world's best-selling vehicle. Available for pre-order across the Asia-Pacific market, this updated Model Y comes packed with exciting features, enhanced design, and improved performance. Here's everything you need to know. To kick things off, Tesla has introduced the limited edition launch series, similar to the Foundation series Cybertrucks. These exclusive variants come with distinctive touches, including a unique launch series badge on the rear liftgate and door sill plates, launch branding on the charging console trim, and premium black vegan suede interiors. For the Long Range AWD variant, the launch series includes the acceleration boost feature, marking the first time Tesla has offered this upgrade outside of an in-app purchase. The 2025 Model Y boasts a sleek redesign with sharper lines and aerodynamic improvements. New front and rear light bars not only enhance the vehicle's aesthetics, but also improve efficiency and range. The body now incorporates Tesla's innovative casting technology, reducing parts from 70 to just 1, resulting in fewer gaps and a quieter ride. A front bumper camera makes its debut, previously seen only on the Cybertruck. While it's currently limited to auto park and manual usage, there's hope it will integrate with FSD features like Smart Summon. One standout feature is the indirect rear light bar, a first-of-its-kind reflective design aimed at the car body. Combined with redesigned curves and an exclusive glacier blue color option, the refreshed Model Y cuts a sharper and more aerodynamic profile. Other color options include stealth gray, pearl white multicoat, quicksilver, and ultra red. One notable omission is the tow hitch, previously available on the Model Y. It remains unclear if this feature will return for versions in North America and Europe. Step inside, and the 2025 Model Y greets you with ventilated seats, ambient lighting, and soft-touch finishes. Tesla has reintroduced the turn signal stalk, addressing feedback from customers who found button-based signals inconvenient. This stalk, located on the left side, complements the gear shifter on the touchscreen and autopilot controls on the steering wheel. The steering wheel now features customizable buttons with tactile feedback, allowing users to assign functions like camera activation or voice commands. In terms of technology, the Model Y retains its 15.4-inch central touchscreen, but adds an 8-inch rear display for passengers. Connectivity has been significantly upgraded, with improved range for the phone key, faster cellular and Wi-Fi connections, 5G support, and an enhanced infotainment module. Tesla has also refined the audio system, hiding speakers within the trims for a cleaner look, and delivering an even better sound experience, especially in the Long Range AWD model. Additionally, the rear seats now include power reclining functionality, offering added convenience for passengers and families. Tesla has made strides in handling and comfort with updates to the suspension, steering, and tires. These changes promise a smoother, quieter ride with more responsive steering. The updated Model Y is expected to provide an elevated driving experience, aligning with the enhancements made to the Model 3 refresh. The 2025 Model Y is expected to begin customer deliveries for the launch series in May 2025 in the Asia-Pacific region. European and North American customers may need to wait a few extra months, likely until early summer. Tesla's 2025 Model Y refresh represents a significant leap forward in design, comfort, and technology.